y'all, it's Rhonda here. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a brand new video and I'm super excited about this video because I have partnered with Stitch Fix to bring you guys this video. This video is going to be all about spring dresses and just really pretty spring stuff because spring is almost here. By the time you see this video, spring will be here. So I am super excited to share what has come in my Stitch Fix box. Now, if you guys have never heard of Stitch Fix before, they're an online styling company. And basically they pair you up with a stylist who sends you out things every single month to wear that caters to your own personal style. So what you do is you go online, you go to their website and you complete an assessment. The assessment is going to tell your stylist what you like and what you don't like what you're comfortable in and what you're not comfortable in. And every single month they're going to send you a box that's going to reflect your style. It's only $20 a month and that $20 is going to go towards your purchase. So you get your box, you go through your box, you try on everything and you decide what you like and what you don't like. What's super cool is that whatever you don't like, you can always send it back and they won't charge you for it. You're only charged for the items that you keep, which is really, really cool. They feature men, women, and children's clothing. And the cool thing is with the women's clothing, they start from size 0 all the way to size 24. So there is something in there for everyone. So I was so excited when they reached out to partner with me because I have gotten some staple pieces from my wardrobe from my previous Stitch Fix boxes and I am just in love. The denim, I've got some really cool jackets and coats from them that I have just been blown away by. And what's really cool is that it introduced me to a lot of new brands that I had never heard of before. So if you guys want to see all the spring pretty stuff that I got in my Stitch Fix box, make sure you keep watching. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Rhonda and I create style and beauty content on my channel every single week. So make sure you subscribe. That way you never, ever miss an upload. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the pieces. So as soon as you open the box, the first thing that's on top is a tracking bag so that you can send back whatever doesn't work for you. It has your address. It has a return label already on it. So all you have to do is drop your items in there and send them back in the mail. So the next thing in the box is going to be a little envelope. And in the envelope, it's going to include the receipt for everything that you got in your box, which is really cool. So it's going to tell you what you got, how much it cost. And then the next thing it includes is this little brochure. And the brochure actually shows you everything that you got in your Fix box. So I'm super excited. Oh my gosh. Now it's time to open the clothes. So when you take it out, they have it wrapped up like this. Like this. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is what is this? A dress. Oh my gosh. The first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this animal print dress. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. A little short. I don't really do short skirts like that, so I'm be interested to see how this one falls when I try it on. But it's really pretty. It's really pretty. So this is the Kaylee dress, and this dress is from Collective Concepts, and it is $78. Super cute. I like it a lot. Tons of movement. I like the way it feels. It's a little short, but I think it's really cute. I love the leopard. I like the little tassel strings here. I think that's super cute. I love that this is like an overlay piece. Super cute. And it feels good. It's lightweight. It's perfect for spring, perfect for summer. So you guys can see the back. So the next piece, let's see, is another dress. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the next piece. So this is from a brand called Fortune and Ivy. It's like a really pretty lace navy color, and it has like these really pretty scallop edges on it. And this dress is $64. Very pretty. So you can actually see what the color really looks like. I love the detail here on the sleeve, like the little scallop detail here. It's really cute. The length on this one is actually not bad either. It's just a pretty dress. I love the neckline. I like the little taperedness here in the waist. This is the back, so you can see how the back looks. Super cute, very lightweight, perfect for like a wedding. You can like really move around in it. I just love it. The next one, I'm dying already. I don't even know how it's gonna fit, but just looking at it, oh, it is gorgeous. This dress is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's straight. Hopefully I can wear it. It's a straight dress, so hopefully I can wear this. But it's super pretty. This one is from the brand City Chic, which I love. And this dress is $149. So this one I'm going to actually end up sending back because it does not fit. But it is such a beautiful dress. And I really wish it did, but it doesn't. So, yeah. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. How beautiful is this? It's perfect for spring. This is from the brand DM collection. This dress is $98. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I am like kind of here for it. It is so cute. This one actually is my favorite out of the bunch. I love the detail. It's like almost like a crochet kind of thing, overlay. It's really pretty. It's very comfortable. It has that T-length that I like. You can see it's a V-neck here at the top, which I love. And then it just zips up in the back. I'm by myself, so I can't zip it up, but you guys can get the drift. I love how it makes the waist look super small and snatched right underneath right below the calf. I mean, right at the calf, which I love. I think that's such a good look. And I just love the colors. It's very like Easter, spring. There are some dresses you just feel pretty in, and this is one of them. I'm done. I'm going home. Like, I'm going home. Look at this jacket. OMG. This is so cute. So this is the Hayden Faux Suede Moto jacket. Oh my gosh. This one is cut from the cloth, which I love their jeans. I got their jeans in a Stitch Fix box a few months ago. Love. This jacket is $98. So you guys know how I feel about moto jackets. I am in love with this jacket so much. My stylist did this, okay? I love this jacket so much. It's super comfortable. I love that it meets very comfortably if I want to zip it up. It's a faux suede, so it's really lightweight. It's perfect for like your spring and summer months, because it's going to be great for those cool nights. And I am just super in love with this jacket. I'm in love with it. I love the length on it because it comes right below the waist, so it hits right above the hip, which I love. I think the color is beautiful. I don't know if the camera is really picking up the color very well, but it's kind of like a super pale pink almost. And it's just a beautiful color. I don't have anything like this in my closet, so I'm super excited. My stylist did that. They chose some really pretty stuff for me, and I'm so pleased. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, the link to sign up for Stitch Fix is below in the description bar, so make sure you check it out. It's going to give you a $25 credit if you sign up through the link below in my description box, so make sure you check it out. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button if you're new, or if you've been coming back and you just haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time.